from metric system to other systems and vice versa. Okay, so first of all, let me try to give you some equivalents. So when it comes to length, okay, so these are some equivalents. We will be using this one later. So in this one, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, and all of the others. This one is 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers, like that. We also proceed to mass. So these are some equivalents, common equivalents that we will be using, and also for volume. Okay, so here we go. So 1 liter is equal to 1.057 quarts, like that. Okay. So without further ado, let us try to proceed on to examples. Example number one, okay, 23 centimeters is equal to how many inches? So first thing that we will try to do is we will try to write this first, 23 centimeters, and then we will try to multiply this with, okay, so this is the part that we will be choosing the appropriate equivalents. Take note that we are converting from centimeters to inches. So we will try to look for equivalents wherein centimeters and inches are the units involved. So we will be using this equivalent. Okay. Since, okay, centimeters and inches. Okay. So in here. Okay. Please take note that we will make sure that whatever is the unit here, okay, we will put the same unit in the denominator of our equivalent. The purpose to this is so that we will be able to cancel this down. Okay. So proceed. Let us proceed. Okay. 23. Okay, times 1 is equal to 23 inches over, okay, you notice it is only 2.54. What happened to centimeters here is it got cancelled. So 23 times 1 is 23, and okay. So 23 divided by 2.54, that is equal to 9.06 inches, and our answer here will be 9.06. So the conversion is as straightforward and easy as that. Okay? Proceed on to example number 2. 12 kilometers is equal to how many miles? So same step, we will try to look for the unit involving kilometer and miles. Okay, so this is kilometer and miles. Okay, we have two equivalents here. So it depends on you which one you will choose. Okay, so writing 12 kilometers, okay, times, okay, in this case, we will try to choose this one, okay, because the kilometer is already in the denominator so that we can cancel that out later. Okay, so proceeding, 12 times 1 is equal to 12, and the remaining unit is miles because kilometers is canceled here. Okay, so still 1.609, but then the kilometers units are canceled. Okay, 12 divided by 1.609, that is equal to 7.46 miles, and so our answer here is 7.46. Okay, by the way, if you'd like a copy of this PPT, you just go to this link, bit.ly/Boss Ying's Math. There are a few instructions there. Just follow it, and I will be sending you the file as soon as I get or I receive your request. Okay, so example number 3. 4.28 ounce is equal to how many grams? Okay, so right here, 4.28 times, okay, let us try to look for the equivalent, ounce and grams. Okay, so this one. Okay, okay. Now, you notice there's a difference in writing the equivalent because in here, 1 ounce is the numerator and here it becomes the denominator. Now, it doesn't really matter where is the placement as long as this is the equivalent. Okay, we are trying to write ounce in the denominator because we would like or we intend to cancel the unit up. So that ounce will be canceled is equal to 4.28 times 28.35. Okay, let us try to do some calculator. I have not used calculator. Okay, so 4.28 times 28.35. Okay, that is equal to 121.34. We run it off. Okay, so this is 121.24 grams over 1. Okay, ounce is already canceled. Okay, and whatever the number is, if divided by 1, the answer is the same. 1.21.24 grams. So that's the answer here. Proceeding to our last example, 6.2 quarts is equal to how many liters? So write 6.2 here. Okay, Let us try to look for the equivalent quart and liters. Quart and liters. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one. We'll choose this one. Okay, so quart is already in the denominator, so we just copy that one. Okay, is equal to 6.2 times 1. That is equal to 6.2 liters all over 1.057, and quart is already cancelled. Okay, quart is already cancelled. Okay, so the answer now is 5.87 liters. 5.87. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Okay, and see you in the next video. Thank you.